Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Open the presentation you wish to work on so that you have your slides visible and ready for editing. Once your presentation is loaded, focus on the slide where you want to combine text and an image to create an engaging visual effect. With your slide on display, move your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window where you will find the Insert tab. This section of the menu enables you to insert various elements into your slide, including images, text boxes, and shapes. Click on the Insert tab to reveal additional options. Within the Insert menu, locate the option for adding a picture. Click on Picture to bring up a selection menu that allows you to insert an image from your device. Choose the option labeled This Device, which will open a file browser window on your computer. Use this window to navigate to the location where your desired photo is saved. Once you have selected your image, proceed by clicking the Insert button. The image will now appear on your slide. After inserting the image, the next step involves adding a text element that will eventually merge with the image. To do this, look again within the Insert tab and find the option for a text box. Click on the text box icon and then click and drag on the slide to create an area where you can type your desired text. Begin typing on the slide until your text has been input. This text will later merge with the image to produce a composite visual effect. With both the image and text now displayed on your slide, it is time to adjust the layering. First, click directly on the image to make sure it is selected. Then, using your mouse, right-click on the image to open a context menu. In this menu, you will see the option Send to Front. Select this option to ensure that the image is layered appropriately. The image must be at the front so that when the merging occurs, the text will overlay the image in the desired manner. Now adjust your selections so that both the image and the text are included. A quick way to do this is to press the Ctrl and A keys together, selecting every element on the slide. With the image and text both selected, navigate back to the ribbon and click on the Shape Format tab. This tab houses the tools required for manipulating and adjusting shapes in your slide. Within the Shape Format tab, look for an option entitled Merge Shapes. Click on Merge Shapes, and from the resulting options, select Intersect. Choosing Intersect will combine the selected elements, the text and the image, in such a way that your text appears filled with portions of the image. The final merge shape creates a unique effect where the image is visible only through the outlines of your text. Following these guided instructions will allow you to successfully merge your text and image in PowerPoint. Enjoy experimenting with this creative technique to enhance your presentations with compelling visual content.